Welcome to Limited Resources, your one-stop shop for coin-operated timers. Call or text 647-931-1828. All price quotes, messages, and orders are processed within 15 minutes. Calling all landlords and property managers. Convert any washing machine or dryer into a moneymaker. Are your tenants abusing and overusing the washer and dryer laundry machines? Costing you money? Limited Resources can help reduce expenses and increase profits. Do-it-yourself coin laundry boxes are simple to install. Convert any existing washing machine into a coin laundry. Hundreds of satisfied customers over the year. Listen to what they have to say about Limited Resources. Emma, made my money back in 1 year. VJ, 10-minute installation. Sophia, reduced water and electricity bills. Bob, extra monthly income. Pay back within 12 months. 1 year free replacement warranty. Emma bought a coin laundry converter box in January. Bring the owner of a triplex rental building with 8 tenants. She earned $80 a month from her coin laundry, while at the same time reducing her water and electricity bills. 12 months after installing, she made back her investment. 3 easy steps to installing your coin laundry conversion kit. Step 1. Using the 4 screws provided, mount coin laundry converter box on the wall. Step 2. Plug washing machine into converter box. Step 3. Plug converter box into a wall outlet. Limited Resources, your one-stop shop for coin-operated timers. Call or text 647-931-1829. All price quotes, messages, and orders are processed within 15 minutes.